Welcome to Mount Jackson, Virginia. I'm Eric Cash, Project Manager at Harmon Construction. As you can see, there's a lot of coordination efforts that went into the pipe bridge that we're standing on. Today I'd like to discuss all of the management activities of this entire project. So while we're standing here on the pipe bridge, we'll talk about BIM modeling. BIM modeling is the 3D model that we use to identify any clashes in pipes, any clashes in ductwork, sprinkler, refrigeration lines, conduit, and electrical wiring. We were able to integrate all of the drawings into a 3D model. The 3D model could then throw red flags up where any kind of pipes or electrical conduit would intersect and be causing an issue during construction. The pipe bridge is kind of the heart and vessels of the entire plant. A lot of these lines had to be sloped. As you can see, the steel structure is all square. So we had to modify the structure or change the slope and pitch of the hangers on each pipe to remove those clashes. So now we want to go inside. We'll walk in onto the interstitial space. So we're currently standing in the interstitial space. As you can see, there's a whole lot of pipes, conduit, hangers in this area. A lot of them are run perpendicular with each other. Currently you have steam condensate line, electrical conduits, the pipe bridge hangers that come from outside to the utility building. All of this was coordinated through the BIM model. The model was generated before dirt ever got moved. We identified clashes, we fixed areas that were known to be issues prior to any of these materials arriving on site. The installation became way more efficient. Manpower was able to be used in a more timely and effective manner. So Procore is a computer software that Harmon utilizes to document the entire project. It houses drawings, RFIs, submittals, punch list, our schedule, and daily photos. During this unique situation that we had here with coronavirus, some of the owners were from France. They were not able to travel to the job site. They were able to utilize Procore, tracking our schedule and our daily photos, and they could keep track with everything that was going on in the job site. So let's discuss a little bit about our schedule and how it comes about. Each scope of work shows up on the schedule as one single line item. This schedule at one time had over 800 different line items, and it's now shrank down, and it continues to shrink as we wrap up things with the project. So when we were talking about the BIM model earlier, the BIM model was hugely important because it identified the clashes and who needed to go first in the sequence of construction, whether that be the sprinkler guy that was inside the bar joist or the refrigeration guy that was just below the bar joist. What we have now has generated into the entire building. So if you go outside and take a peek, you'll be able to see exactly what this drawing indicates.